Hello everyone, today we are going to look at question number 5, third part, exercise 8.4, which says tan theta upon 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta upon 1 minus tan theta should be equal to 1 plus secant theta cosecant theta multiplied. So firstly we see that nothing is in the form of cos and sine. So firstly we will just convert them. Firstly the right hand side, because it is easier to convert it, secant theta into cosec theta. We know that secant theta is 1 by cos multiplied by 1 by sine theta. So just multiplying these both, 1 plus 1 by sine theta cos theta, right? So we will see if we need to convert it even further once we solve the RHS. Okay, then we have on the LHS tan theta. This one is a long one because we have so many identities that have to be converted to sine and cos. So we will just write the equation firstly to make it easier for us to do that. So the question is all written, and I suppose that we can just convert all of this into sine and cos. So tan is, we all know, sine by cos theta 1, and in the denominator 1 minus cot theta. We know tan is equal to 1 by cot. So cot is basically 1 by tan, right? And if tan is b by b, this is tan, so that would be b by b cot, right? So basically it's the opposite of sine by cos, cos theta upon sine theta, and theta is very important to write. And in this example I have not written theta because it was not needed basically, but theta has to be written everywhere in front of these identities in this form of the ratios, you can say, upon basically the opposite, cos theta by sine, right? 1 minus tan tha, so it would be sine by cos, right? Then first things first, we will see that we can multiply these both. We'll basically take the LCM. Firstly we will do that only. Sine theta by cos theta, cos theta by sine theta. Yes, I'm just writing the denominators, it's not allowed. Sine minus cos upon theta theta upon sine theta, right? And I think everyone knows that how to take the LCM. Basically sine, this is sine minus cos, this would be cos theta minus sine theta upon cos. So basically we can just invert this, right? Means that this is terming this as 1 2 3 and 4, we know 4 is multiplied with 1 because it is a reciprocal up there. So this is multiplied with this, and this is multiplied with this upwards. Okay, so sine multiplied by 1. Wait a minute, right? So sine into sine square theta. I think it has gotten pretty simpler now. It's pretty simple from now. Then we have cos theta multiplied by this. Let's just multiply, and that was plus. Same thing here, cos into cos, sine into this term, right? So cos into cos basically is just squared cos square theta upon sine theta, cos minus sine. So it is basically the opposite of this. Here we have sine, here we have cos, here we have cos, here we have sine. So the first thing I can see that if we like take the LCM, it would come out to be something. So let's just take out the LCM because we have no other option. So firstly, no, firstly we will simplify this. So like if we have to take the LCM, we will multiply sine with sine square theta and cos theta with cos square theta, this thing and this thing, right? And I think some of you might also think, why not multiply these like sine theta minus cos theta upon cos theta minus sine theta with these. This would even complicate it, and we take the LCM to make the denominator common, and sine theta minus cos theta is already common in both. Now some of you might say how, because that is cos theta minus sine theta. It's a very simple concept. Let's go into the rough column. Cos square theta, basically sine theta, cos theta minus sine theta. So basically, can't we write? We can just seeing this part. Okay, here just magnifying it. Cos theta minus sine theta. To write it like sine अगर हम पहले लिखें minus sine theta plus cos theta, it is basically this. But when we take minus common, sine theta minus cos theta, isn't it the same thing as the other denominator? Just we have another minus. This is extra, nothing else. So let's just continue with this only. We have sine multiplied by, right? Sine multiplied with this, and cos is multiplying with this, cos squared. So with this squared. So a square into a is a cube, right? Sine cube theta, and we just saw यहाँ पे minus आएगा. This is minus, this minus. So minus cos cube theta upon. So this did not have sine, right? And this did not have cos. So we can write it as sine cos, right? Sine first, cos last. Multiplied by, we had sine theta minus cos theta. Both of them had this as common. Now many of you might be wondering what can we do now. So first thing that should click in your mind is from the numerator. That is, we see that taking, just a minute. Sine is A theta and B is cos. So if we write it as like this in terms of A and B, can you see something? A cube minus B cube identity. A minus B A squared plus B squared plus AB, right? So we'll just basically implement this down there. Sine theta minus cos theta sine square theta plus B square, right? That is cos square theta plus AB. Sine into cos. Sine theta to cos theta. So again it has become pretty simple, and we can see that something can be cancelled. You can figure it out while I am writing. I think most of you have figured out what can be cancelled now. Yes. So I think we all can see that sine theta minus cos theta is common and all of them are in multiplication. So just reduce them off. Okay. And we see one more identity, sine square theta plus cos square theta, which was equal to 1. 1 plus sine theta. So what's left is 1 plus sine theta cos theta upon sine theta cos theta. And let's see if it matches the RHS. And if you want, you can simplify it further, like 1 upon sine theta cos theta plus 1, right? That's when you do not have simplified the RHS. When you have simplified the RHS, there's no need. See, either you can simplify the LHS to this, or you can simplify the RHS to 1 plus sine theta, just taking the LCM, upon sine theta cos theta, right? So we can say LHS is equal to RHS, hence proved, just like we write in all other questions. That tan theta 1 minus cot theta, basically the question that we wrote, cot theta 1 minus tan theta. So this question was, I think, a pretty easy one, because it did not require much thinking. Like, it required thinking, but it was pretty simple if you just understand the concept well. Then it's not difficult at all. So 1 upon secant theta cos theta, so hence all of this is proved. So thank you for watching, and we'll meet you in the next video. Bye bye.